Hi, today we are going to introduce our latest ZenBook series, ZenBook 13, 14, and 15 inch. So this is the newly designed, and it comes two colors, the royal blue and icicle silver. And here is the 13 inch, so we will take 13 inch as an example. So you can see that this is the most compact size laptop ever in the notebook industry. So it is with 4-way narrow bezel. So not only the left side, right side, but also the upper bezel and lower bezel. And the lower bezel, you can see it is very slim, and it is about 75% smaller lower bezel than our competitor. So we redesigned the key module and mechanical, including the camera, panel, mechanical, and the system, PCB, battery, etc., so that we can be very compact size. So we can compare the size with the previous generation, ZenBook 13 inch. So if we put it like this way, you can see the difference of these two laptops. This is the old generation 13 inch, and this is the new generation 13 inch. The new 13 inch is smaller than A4 size, and the new 14 inch is also similar to the A4 size, and it is even smaller than the previous 13 inch. This is the new 14 inch design. So the new ZenBook series are the most compact size laptop ever, and we still keep the camera at the upper bezel of the laptop, and it is 3D IR face login. It supports Windows Hello with the IR camera, and the resolution of the camera improved to HD quality and with 4P lens. It enhanced the sharpness and also the brightness and also the color saturation. So most of the users still hope the camera to be on top of the laptop. So even with the 4-way narrow bezel design, we still keep the camera at the upper bezel so that it is with better viewing angle and better user experience. And talking about the system, we also redesigned the keyboard. So the keyboard travel distance is 1.4 millimeter. It is higher than the previous generation. We also redesigned the rubber dome under the mechanical. So it is with better travel distance and typing experience. And also the touchpad, as you can see, here is a special number pad function. So this is for 13 and 14 inch without the number pad here. We have we call it the number pad here. You can turn it on and off. And the most cool thing is that, let me do the demo later. With the number pad on, you can still move the cursor. So there's no need to turn the number pad on or off. You can still move the cursor after you type the numbers. You see? Okay. And as to the I/O port, it is with full I/O. There is two Type A USB here, and a standard HDMI, and a Type C I/O port here. So even with the very compact size, it still has a very good experience of keyboard, touchpad, Microsoft Precision touchpad, number pad, and also the full I/O port. And also with the battery capacity, it can last 12 hours. So for 13 and 14 inch, both have 50 watt-hour battery capacity. And for the 17 inch, for the 15 inch, it has 72 watt-hour battery capacity inside. So both of them can last 12 hours of battery life. And we also have special cooling design system, a special design fan to increase the airflow by 10%, which can lower the temperature of the system. And for this one, we also redesigned the reliability test standard. This one can pass the military standard 810. So it is with higher reliability test, humidity test, temperature test, shock test, etc. So ZenBook is with the compact size and also keep the IR camera at the upper level with the new design keyboard for higher travel distance, precision touchpad with the number pad function, and also full I/O, good battery life. And for the 13-inch, it has the latest Intel 8th generation CPU inside, and the graphic, you can have the NVIDIA MX 150 graphic inside. So for the 13 and 14-inch, they both have UMA and MX 150 graphic inside. And for the 15-inch, the 15-inch has the MX 150 and GTX 1050 graphic inside. So all these are with very good performance, compact size, and good CPU and GPU option within the chassis. The storage, it can have up to 1 terabyte high-speed SSD inside. And the I/O port here, it is USB 3.1 generation 2, and the USB speed can be up to 10 gigabit per second. So this is a compact size laptop with good battery life, good experience, and high performance. Okay, this is the ZenBook 15, the most compact 15-inch ever. That is putting a 15-inch panel in a 14-inch chassis. It is 4-way narrow bezel, and for the 15-inch, we have the number key here. And 15-inch also has the GTX 1050 graphic option inside the chassis. So this is a powerful monster, and all the material are made of metal. So this is all metal design of the laptop. And as you can see, the ID, there's a special ergo lift design. So the ergo lift design is about 4 to 5 degrees. So the ergo lift design can provide better typing angle and also can help to improve the thermal dissipation. So this is a good ergo lift design to help the typing angle and the thermal dissipation. And all the ZenBook 13, 14, and 15 can be available in the market starting from September to October timeframe. So this is the new ZenBook series, the most compact size of 13, 14, and 15 ever. And the screen to body ratio of the 13-inch can reach 95%. This is the highest screen to body ratio of the laptop right now.